It's time for snowplowing again. I think I have snowplowed like 20 times this winter or more. Well, not much snow, but it was a blizzard last night, so need to remove it.
I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. Obsessing over dress when I split, shoot me a blink. I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Painting watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go.
So now I'm just finished snowplowing. And just a shout out to Turtle 04. Great that you have bought the same machine as me, only newer. Same color, and I really hope you will be pleased with it. I also hope you will be making videos when you are out driving. And be careful and always use a helmet. And I need to fix the springs. I have only one, because the other one always fall off if I snowplowing. I have the new one, but I need a help from a friend to install it, because they are so stiff. And I'm still looking for heavy duty springs, because these are too thin. So if you know about any springs from 22 to 24 centimeters, so let me know. See you in the next video. Bye.